Hey friends, if you encounter the WSL2 installing Linux failed error code 0x80370114, then please watch this video and I will guide you through the resolutions very carefully. Search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open Windows Security. Go to App and Browser Control on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Exploit Protection Settings. Go to Program Settings, click on Add Program to continue and select Choose Exact File Path. And then we have the file path here and you will paste it and click on Open. And once you click on Open, I don't have it here, but once you click on Open, you have to click on Edit and then scroll down to Control Flow Guard, and I'll show it on a different one. For example, this Adobe Acrobat one. Click on Edit and then scroll down to Controls Flow Path, and then you have to uncheck this option, Override System Settings. Now you need to copy this command, which is net start VM compute, and search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar and open run as administrator, and then paste it here and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.